Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. Jessica is here with me just in case you hear any weird sounds in the background. That's her. She says she's not going to make any noises, but if you hear Jessica, timestamp it and see if we can find her in this video. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. I have kind of a big announcement this week, and that is we're doing a trial period, but I think it's going to work out really well, so I'm kind of going to call it permanent. We are going to be moving our new releases to Wednesday, and just listen to the whole thing first because I feel like it's going to be really good. So we're going to be moving all of our new releases to Wednesday at noon Eastern, and then we're going to be doing unlimited stock on new releases from Wednesday, like the stickers, like always, from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. So if you get paid on Friday, you'll still have that time to pick up the new releases. But that means that our Wiggle Wednesday will be available on Wednesday at noon Eastern with new releases, and this will be available until it sells out, or Friday at noon Eastern, and then it'll go to the regular price. Another change with this is that the Wiggles will no longer be offered a la carte. We are changing the clear Wiggles completely, but we do have some solid Wiggles to release prior to that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Wiggle first, and this one is so pretty. This is actually on the matte paper, which I think is what you guys prefer now that I have released both. So this is the white matte paper with our gold on it, and this is the gorgeous bottom washi page. You have your icons page, your flags and bows, your date covers, and then also your headers. So this will be in the shop at $10 for the full bundle, and then on Friday, if there are any left, they will go to the full normal pricing. So that is the Wiggle for this week. It'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, along with the rest of the items. Obviously, all foil items are not unlimited stock, but we do always try to stock a ton of them so they don't sell out super fast. So this is the first release. This is the, I believe, the like Magic Movies version 3. So this one has Moana, Mulan, Zootopia, Frozen, Wreck-It Ralph, Tangled, Lilo and Stitch, Tarzan, Fantasia, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, Bolt, The Jungle Book, Hercules, and Big Hero 6, and they are available in all 4 foils, of course. We do have a Celestial sampler, so let me show you in the silver because it's the easiest to see. So just like all of the rest of our samplers, you do have the 2 full box overlays. I love this quote, it is so pretty. You have the headers, 7 headers, and then you have a bunch of cut out deco, which is great for decorating more boxes. I like to have 3 of these so that I can kind of like use the headers and the full boxes and these to decorate full boxes as well. And they come in all 3 foils as well, and that'll look really pretty possibly with like November Mystery, so maybe just like kind of plan ahead. Then there's also the food doodles done by Jessica J. Crew Plans.
Sup?
Yeah. We knew that timestamp, so try and find her somewhere else. So these are drink doodles. She did do food doodles, and I thought drink doodles were necessary. I think actually Emily was like, we need drink doodles. So you have a bunch of different drinks on here, 9 different drinks, and those are the large ones, which will look great in like a, probably, I think they'll still look good in a quarter box. I think they'll look good in this size box in particular, and then also the half boxes, but they're also going to be available in the mini size, which I'll show you guys a comparison, and I think these look better on, they look good on this size, like on the deco page, but also look good on like fancy labels. So I kind of size them like that. So you can get the bigger ones or the smaller ones or both if you want variety. You have, again, 9 different drinks, and one is mini and one is large. Both very usable sizes still. So those are all of the foil releases for this week. And then I do have 3 collections to show you guys, and they're all actually exclusive art collections. There is an art that I'm kind of like thinking about maybe doing on the plane to New York tomorrow that came out, but I'm not totally sure, so this might be it, but if not, I'll post something on Instagram Monday or Tuesday probably about if I'm adding a kit or not. But let's go ahead and show you guys these collections. So the first one here is called Hollow Party. I think that this one and the next one are both the older format with the old logo, just because these have been done for forever. This one has the Andrea Munchkin freebie, and so does this one. So they're kind of a little older. but I mean, realistically, there's not much that's different. So let's go ahead and show you guys this one. So this one is actually kind of based off of the decor that I did for Kirsten's baby shower, but I wanted to keep the kit itself neutral so that you can use it for a birthday or any type of celebration. I think all of the SPC girls are going to be using this for Avery's birthday because she is doing an LOL doll theme, and I think that it kind of goes perfectly with it. It has the faux hollow glitter throughout. This is the older format with the larger boxes and the older payday. You have an extra full box here. You have the little things, the headers, the deco page with more functional items, and then your bottom washi. I'll go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. This is the first version, which is the colors. And then there's also the option, which I'll probably call this hollow, which has all the different pretty pastel colors in there. You have the label sampler, and then last but not least, you do have the fashion girls, which are supposed to be pregnant, which are super cute. And then you also do have the option for the, let me zoom you in just a little bit. You do have the option if you want to add on the family boxes, and there are the same 6 families as per usual. That's family 1, family 2, family 3, family 4, family 5, and then family 6. So dang cute, and I cannot wait to use this for Avery's birthday with probably some sparkly hollow. So super, super cute. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit of this one, and then I won't be showing you guys the mini kit for the rest of them. But like I always say, if you want to see what comes in any specific mini kit, just check out the second listing photo and you can see all of the pages that are included in the mini kit. But it is minier. So then you do have the Andrea Munchkin freebies as well. And that is the Hollow Party mini kit. All of the kits this week do come with the mini kit option. So if you want to pick up a mini kit, they all have them. But I always say definitely pick them up in the unlimited stock period because 90% of the time I feel like they do sell out within that period. So let's go ahead and show you guys the next one, which is called Cindy, which is kind of a Cinderella inspired kit. I've been trying to do a lot of the different princesses, and this one turned out super, super cute. I love the colors of this. Perfect for winter, but also kind of a cool transition or just an anytime kit. I love all of the marble. You can pull your marble multicolor in, the silvers, the pinks, and the blues. Just super, super cute. You have the faux silver glitter throughout. Your functional page, half boxes. This is like the newer, older format because you have those little boxes. You have another full box there, little things, headers, deco, more functional, and then you have your bottom washi, which is just marble. I'll go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. You do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You have the glitter headers if you want to add those on with the faux silver sprinkled throughout. And then the label sampler if you want to add that on as well. And like I said, this also does come in a mini kit. Super, super pretty. Again, it could be an anytime kit for sure, but will be great for winter or a transition, maybe even from winter to like Valentine's Day or like out of Valentine's Day. Be super cute. So that is called Cindy. And then last but not least, I do have Yule Ball, which is really pretty, kind of like vibes for prom. So it does come in a mini kit, but also I know Amanda said she wanted to use this for like a fundraising gala that she's going to. I think it'd be really pretty again as an anytime kit or a birthday party kit, baby shower kit, wedding would be really pretty. So you do have the Munchkin freebie because this is the newer format. So pretty. So you have like kind of like Yule Ball vibes. You have this girl here in like Fleur's dress with silver hair, which is so pretty. You have the ombre heart checklist with the faux silver glitter throughout. I love these colors. They are so like wintry, but I just love everything about it. You have your extra full box and your squared off boxes there, your little things, your headers, deco over here, super cute. I love this table. I just think it's so pretty, and the little balloons. And then you have the bottom washi. I'll go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And then you also have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And last but not least, you have this girl here, which has kind of like an inspired Hermione dress as a fashion girl option as well. So that is the Yule Ball kit, which is super pretty. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I kind of wish I was going to a winter wedding because I think this would be perfect, or like a baby shower, a bridal shower. Oof. all of the options. So let me go over all of the kits again. So you do have Yule Ball. Like I said, all of these kits this week are exclusive art. You do have Cindy. You do also have Hollow Party, which I didn't put back in the cello, which again, I think we're all using for Avery's birthday, but it would also be cute for a baby shower, which I just think it's one of those kits that you can keep just to have, just in case, because it's pretty neutral and just really cute. I feel like you could also kind of use it for like New Year's Eve too if you wanted something just a little different. And then you also have the Wiggle this week is the white matte, well, the matte paper with the gold Wiggle. And then you do have the Magical Movies version 3, the Celestial Sampler, and then the Food Doodle Mini and Large. So that is everything for this week's new release video. I hope that you guys liked it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!